Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I will be crocheting it forward in this video by showing you how to make a simple fringe. Okay, this is so easy and it's very versatile in terms of how thick you want it or how thin you want it, how long you want it, how short you want it. The only thing really you have to decide besides the yarn color is the length, as well as how you want the fringe to look. Now this little bulb right here is if you take the fringe and do it in the front, and if you don't like that, this is what it looks like in the back, and I've seen some pieces of work where it's done like that. Just a little different look. Again, crocheter's choice. So what you're going to want to do is grab some yarn, and what I like to do is just use my cell phone as a standard fringe measurement. And what I do is I just take my yarn like that, and then I just wrap it around, hanging on to the initial piece with my thumb, and then just wrap it around a couple times. Okay, and then you always want to cut your yarn at the bottom, and then right here also at the bottom. Now if you're doing another project and you want a smaller fringe, then you can always cut up here. It doesn't matter, but this, as far as it, you can always straighten them out as far as the length. Like, you know, some people get hung up on that part right there. But anyway, from here you want to take however thick you want your fringe to be. In this particular case for this poncho, I am using 4 strands. Whoops, so we get our 4 strands. We get them as straight as we can, okay? And then in terms of that, this also doesn't matter down here because we are going to trim at the end. And then we just take our garment. Now this is a shell, and I'm going to show you how to do them both ways. The shell has 5 double crochet, so we always want to insert our hook in the middle double crochet. Want to grab all 4 strands, pull them through, and then hang on to them like this in your hand. Pull this up a little bit, yarn over, grab all of these loops, and then pull them through like that. There you go. There's your fringe. And then from here you just work it in terms of the tightness that you want. Now if you're going for the double strand row right here, look, I'll show you again how to do that. So again, we're grabbing our 4 strands of yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, getting them as close as possible. And then we just want to flip this over, and you're just doing the same thing. Grabbing our middle double crochet, go through them 2 stitches, the V's, grab our yarn, pull it through, and you want to leave yourself enough room right here so that you can pull all these strands out. Okay, and then from here we'll just from the back just go ahead and get that as secure as possible, and then you turn it around, and then you have that look. Again, you can do these tight, you can do them loose like this one. I did this one a little tighter, that one a little tighter right here, and then that one a little looser. It's just whatever look you're going for. So that's how you do an easy fringe. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and together let's continue to crochet it forward. Bye now.